Welcome back. As a part of this video, we'll understand how AI is going to help the requirement analysis activities in data engineering. In the previous video, we understood the impact of AI on the different dimensions of data engineering. One of the dimension here is the life cycle, which involves requirement analysis, data ingestion, transformation, testing activities. As a part of this video, let us focus on how AI will help the requirement analysis of data engineering. The first stage of every data engineering project is requirement analysis. As a part of the requirement analysis, we'll understand what the data is, what kind of data is needed, and where exactly that data exists, in a way, sources. Then we will try to understand how the data should be used. So, before building any single pipeline, data engineers or data architects have to spend considerable amount of time exploring the source systems and understanding the business requirements. When we peek into the different activities in requirement analysis of data engineering, the typical activities include data engineers or data architects meeting with the business stakeholders to understand the need of business, and then creating the technical documentation, reading the technical documentation and schemas of the databases, and understanding what are the API specifications to connect with the other applications, exploring the databases. If the sources are files, exploring the files also, and whether the storage is there in cloud or on premises. Within the tables or within the different tables, finding out which are the primary keys, foreign keys, and how the relationships are there between the different tables in a database. Understanding the business rules such as customer definitions, order lifecycle, revenue calculations. And the most important thing is creating the source to target mapping documents, which is in a way Bible for any of the data engineering projects. So all these activities are done as a part of the requirement analysis and source discovery. This phase is often time consuming because the information is not at one place. Information is spread across multiple systems and documentation is frequently incomplete. And some of the times even the documentation is outdated as well. How does the AI can help in this phase? Definitely, as we know, AI is helping different activities of a life cycle. AI is also helping the requirement analysis phase. Like how AI can help. Let us go through that one by one. AI can help in analyzing the database schemas and explain the table structures in a natural language. If the data engineer or architect has to scan through all the tables in a database and understand the schema, it may take more time. But with the help of AI, we'll be able to do it in a less time. And the documentation would be enormous. If somebody wants to understand the documentation created as a part of the requirement analysis, he or she has to go through the long documentation and understand. But with the help of AI, they can summarize what exactly is the purpose of the source systems. They'll be able to understand the core of the information by using the AI. As we understood, finding out the relationship between the tables is one of the most important aspect of any data engineering. So data architects or engineers may spend days of time to understand that. By using AI, we can take the help of AI to suggest the relationship between the tables analyzing the column names, data types, and values. When we are talking about the data engineering projects, we will not have one table, two tables. You may have multiple number of tables. So in each of the table, identifying which is a primary key, foreign key also takes enormous time. By using AI, you'll be able to identify the primary keys and foreign keys faster than the human beings can identify. With the help of AI, data engineers can develop the data dictionaries describing columns and their meanings. When we are talking about the data engineering, one of the important factor is redundancy, right? Through AI, we'll be able to detect the duplicate data sets or overlapping data sources. If you were to convert the business requirements into technical specifications so that developers can start developing, that would take more amount of time with the manual effort. But with the help of AI, we'll be able to do that in a short amount of time. As I indicated earlier, source to target mapping is one of the Bible of data engineering. Data architects would spend days and days of time to come out with the source to target mapping. But what AI can do is AI can draft the source to target mapping, which can be further validated by data architects. So all in all, the key message is AI can help in most of the activities of requirements analysis of data engineering, reducing the manual work so that engineers can spend time on understanding business needs rather than searching for the information, documenting the information. Awesome. See you in the next video.
That's all for now. Like and subscribe and turn on notifications for future videos. Thank you.